Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked on a Figma design and wanted to download a copy of your file straight to your computer, maybe for sharing, backup, or just for peace of mind, today's video is for you. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to download your Figma file as a local copy, step by step. It's super simple, but I'll walk you through the process so you feel confident doing it yourself. Let's dive right in. Okay, first things first, start by heading over to Figma. Just open up your web browser and log in at Figma.com like you normally would. If you're working with the desktop app, that works just the same. Make sure you have the Figma file you want to download open and ready. This might seem like an obvious step, but you'd be surprised how easy it is to forget which file you're actually working in, especially if you've got multiple projects open or you're part of a big team workspace. Take a quick moment to double-check that you're in the correct file just to avoid any mix-ups. Next up, look towards the very top left corner of your Figma window. You'll see that little hamburger menu icon, the three horizontal lines, right next to the Figma logo. Give that a click. This opens the main menu, which is kind of like your command center for everything you might want to do with your file. If you're ever not sure where to find a feature in Figma, this menu is a great place to look. Once the main menu drops down, hover over or click on the option labeled File. This is where Figma groups all actions related directly to file management, such as duplicating, exporting, or in our case, saving a copy. You should see a list of extra actions directly related to how you store and manage your current project. Now scroll down a little bit and you'll spot an option that says Save Local Copy. Go ahead and click on that. Now, what does saving a local copy actually mean? Basically, Figma will bundle up your entire project, layers, components, images, and all into a Fig file and let you save it to your computer. Think of it as making a snapshot of your design that you can archive, share with others who might not have access to your Figma workspace, or just keep as a backup in case you ever lose access to your account. It's a bit like downloading a copy of your Google Docs so you can have it offline just in case. After you select Save Local Copy, your computer will usually prompt you to choose where to save the file. You can pick your desktop, a project folder, or anywhere you like. The download is pretty quick, but it might take a few seconds if your file is really large or you have a slower internet connection. Don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly, just give it a moment. Once it's done, you'll see the file ending with Fig and you're good to go. You now have a backup you can upload to another Figma workspace or keep for your own records. And that's it, super straightforward, but knowing how to save a local copy is a great little trick, especially if you're collaborating, switching accounts, or just want to protect your hard work. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any questions or if there's something else Figma related you want me to cover. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.